This is our third generation Charger, 1972 Dodge Charger SE 400 Magnum 4-speed car. It's one of 126 built, so really cool car. We basically did everything on it. It's getting to the point where it's almost done. So we just got to put this back bumper on it, which you're going to help me with today. Well, basically what we have here is all our components for our back bumper on this Charger. You can see, plain and simple, we got our tail light lenses. These right here are tail light housings. This is that cool little flip down or flip up license plate I was telling you about. And you can see the filler neck for the gas. So this will sit right there and flip up to expose that. So that'll be kind of neat. And then there's our bumper shell. All these components will go together, and then right back here we got our huge bumper brackets. They're monsters. And then those will actually bolt to that, and then you can see the holes in the back. That'll kind of fit right into that back end of the car and build out that whole back end. So let's go ahead and move on.
What do we put on next?
Well, what I want to do is we'll grab that one bracket there, and I'll get these in there, and I'll hold it, and you can get the nuts on the back of it maybe.
They're gonna go on this side?
On the back side, yeah. Can you feel the stud there? Nice. All
right.
That? What do you think, boss?
Beautiful.
Doesn't it look beautiful? Very nice.
Why'd you smell it?
To smell a nice fresh chrome. That's on there. So let's go ahead and why don't you grab that license plate deal there, and let's see if we can figure out that contraption. Yeah, so there we go. Check that out, huh?
Looks good.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So now we gotta do is flip her over, and then we'll start working on our bumper brackets so we can actually get it put on the car. Okay, we got our taillight assemblies in there. Everything's kind of built out. Got our cool license plate cover on there. So all we gotta do now is grab those big old bumper brackets.
Okay.
Okay, looks good there. So we got one here. That's sitting down in there. Yeah, that looks great. It's nice and flat, and that's what we want to see.
Too easy.
Yeah, that's nice. So what I'll do is I'll grab us some bumper bolts here, kind of put them in there and make sure that that head sits flat. Then your washer will go on there first, and then your lock washer, and then the nut.
Oh, okay. Right.
So let's flip it towards us like that. Right. Now we were talking earlier, our wiring harnesses, they got to go through these holes right here.
Right.
Okay, so when we get it up there, we're gonna have to kind of hold it in place and get those up in there. There you go. Try to use my knee too on them if you have to.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, they don't look too bad. Our gaps look good. We're missing one thing.
The license plate.
Yeah, you want to put that on?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Shoot, this car really came together nice.
Looks good.
Good job on that.
That was fun.
High five.
I thought the bumper rebuild went really well. I thought we didn't run into any problems. It went on really well, only a couple tries, so
yeah. It went great. She did a great job. So whenever that dash comes in, you could throw those front seats in, the center console, and yeah, we'll fire her up and take it out for a spin. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds great.